In recent days, the entertainment industry has been rocked by serious allegations involving actor Kim Soo Hyun and the late actress Kim Sae Ron. On March 17th, Kim Sae Ron's family held a press conference accusing Kim Soo Hyun's agency, gold medalist, of coercion and misconduct. The following day, gold medalist released a detailed 12-page rebuttal, aiming to refute these claims and clarify their position. This unfolding situation has sparked widespread public debate and scrutiny. Will Kim Soo Hyun be arrested over these allegations? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest news on this scandal that's rocking South Korea. And don't forget to watch until the end of the video to know the most surprising thing in this scandal. On March 17, 2025, the family of the late actress Kim Sae Ron convened a press conference outside the Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency to address ongoing legal disputes and public misconceptions surrounding her untimely death. The gathering featured Boo Ji-seok, the legal representative from Boo-yu law firm, Kwon Young-chan, director of the Korea Celebrity Suicide Prevention Association, and Kim Se-ui, CEO of the Garosero Research Institute. A focal point of the conference was the family's decision to release photographs depicting Kim Sae Ron and actor Kim Soo Hyun together. These images, taken during their past relationship, were shared in response to claims made by YouTuber Lee Jin-ho, who had labeled their relationship as fabricated. The family asserted that these photos were essential to counteract the negative portrayal of Kim Sae Ron as delusional, a characterization they believed contributed to her profound emotional distress. Attorney Boo Ji-seok elaborated on the sequence of events leading up to the press conference. He recounted that after Kim Sae Ron received a formal notice from Kim Soo Hyun's agency demanding repayment of 700 million KRW, she felt compelled to reach out to him for assistance. When her attempts went unanswered, she resorted to posting their intimate photos on social media, hoping to elicit a response. Instead, this action led to further anguish, as Lee Jin-ho's videos dismissed their relationship and portrayed her negatively. The family's grievances extended beyond Lee Jin-ho's content. They criticized Kim Soo Hyun's agency for sending 2 formal notices demanding debt repayment. The first notice was followed by Kim Sae Ron's plea for help, which went unanswered. The subsequent notice reiterated the debt demand and prohibited her from contacting Kim Soo Hyun or other agency actors under threat of legal action. The family expressed that these actions exacerbated her emotional turmoil, making it difficult to fathom the distress she endured. An unexpected element during the press conference was the appearance of Kim Se-ui, wearing a red headband emblazoned with the slogan, "Oppose impeachment." This political statement, referencing the impeachment proceedings against President Yoon Suk-yeol, drew attention away from the conference's intended focus. Media outlets grappled with how to depict this, with some choosing to blur images of Kim Se-ui to maintain the event's intended narrative. In response to the controversy, Kim Se-ui explained that his intent was to raise awareness about South Korea's political climate, given the heightened attention surrounding the Kim Soo Hyun issue. Throughout the press conference, the bereaved family maintained that their primary aim was to seek acknowledgement and a heartfelt apology from Kim Soo Hyun. They refuted claims that they were attempting to exploit their daughter's death for personal gain or political purposes. Their focus remained on addressing what they perceived as injustices and ensuring that the truth about Kim Sae Ron's relationships and the circumstances leading up to her death were accurately represented. This press conference not only shed light on the family's legal actions, but also highlighted the complexities of navigating public grief, media scrutiny, and the intertwining of personal histories with broader societal issues. The revelations and ensuing debates underscored the challenges faced by those mourning a loved one while seeking justice and understanding in the public eye. On March 18, 2025, Kim Soo Hyun's agency, Gold Medalist, released a comprehensive 12-page statement addressing the allegations made by the late actress Kim Sae Ron's family. The document aimed to refute claims of coercion, financial misconduct, and inappropriate conduct, providing detailed explanations and evidence to support their position. Central to the agency's defense was the assertion that they never pressured Kim Sae Ron for debt repayment. They explained that after her 2023 DUI incident, efforts were made to reduce the financial burden, ultimately settling the debt at 700 million KRW. This amount was later written off as a company loss in December 2023, reflecting their understanding of her financial difficulties. Addressing the formal notices sent to Kim Sae Ron, gold medalists clarified that these were standard legal procedures to document and formalize the debt situation. The agency emphasized that these notices were not intended to intimidate, but to ensure transparency and compliance with legal requirements. They also refuted claims that Kim Sae Ron was barred from contacting other agency actors, stating that she was free to communicate with them. The agency further tackled allegations regarding the nature of their past relationship. They provided evidence, including metadata from photographs, to establish that their relationship began in the summer of 2019, after Kim Sae Ron reached the legal age of adulthood, and continued until fall 2020. This timeline, they argued, disproved claims that their relationship commenced while she was a minor. Gold medalist also addressed the involvement of a woman introduced as Kim Sae Ron's aunt, who had appeared in media reports. The agency questioned her identity, suggesting she might be an acquaintance rather than a biological relative, which they believed could affect the credibility of the information presented. This point was raised to challenge the authenticity of certain claims made during the press conference. In response to the family's allegations of financial neglect, gold medalists provided a detailed account of their support following Kim Sae Ron's accident. They outlined how they covered the remaining debt she couldn't manage, including payments to affected businesses, and how they worked together to reduce the total damages. This, they argued, demonstrated their commitment to assisting her during a challenging period. The agency also addressed the issue of a photograph showing Kim Soo Hyun and Kim Sae Ron entering an apartment, which had been a focal point in public discussions. They provided evidence, including metadata, to establish that the photo was taken in December 2019, after Kim Sae Ron had become an adult, countering claims that it was taken while she was a minor. Gold medalists concluded their statement by expressing concern over the spread of misinformation and the impact of baseless rumors on both Kim Soo Hyun and Kim Sae Ron's reputations. They called for an end to defamatory actions and emphasized their intention to protect their artists' privacy and dignity during a difficult time. The release of this detailed rebuttal added complexity to the ongoing public discourse, as it presented a counter-narrative to the family's allegations. The situation underscored the challenges of navigating public scrutiny, legal disputes, and personal grief, as both parties sought to clarify their positions and protect their interests amidst a highly sensitive and emotional issue. In the wake of the allegations concerning his past relationship with the late actress Kim Sae Ron, actor Kim Soo Hyun is facing a cascade of legal and professional challenges. The controversy has not only tarnished his public image, but also exposed him to potential legal actions and financial repercussions. Several prominent brands, including Prada and Dinto, have severed ties with Kim Soo Hyun amid the scandal. Prada confirmed the mutual termination of their collaboration, while Dinto cited substantial grounds that rendered the continuation of their advertising contract unfeasible. These corporate decisions highlight the industry's sensitivity to public perception and the potential financial fallout from association with controversial figures. Legally, the situation is complex. Under South Korean law, the age of consent has undergone revisions, with significant changes implemented in May 2020. Prior to this revision, the law applied to minors under the age of 13. Therefore, in 2015, when Kim Sae Ron was 15, the legal framework did not classify a relationship with her as statutory rape or molestation. This legal backdrop suggests that prosecuting Kim Soo Hyun for a sexual offense involving a minor may face significant hurdles. However, the absence of criminal liability does not preclude other forms of legal action. Kim Sae Ron's family has expressed intentions to pursue defamation charges against Kim Soo Hyun and his agency, Gold Medalist. They allege that the agency's public statements misrepresented the nature of the relationship and failed to acknowledge Kim Sae Ron's contributions as a founding member of the company. These allegations, if substantiated, could lead to civil liabilities and further strain Kim Soo Hyun's professional relationships. Moreover, the controversy threatens to disrupt ongoing and future projects. Kim Soo Hyun's involvement in high-profile productions, such as the Disney Plus series Knock Off, is now under scrutiny. Industry experts speculate that Disney Plus may consider legal action against him for breaching morality clauses typically included in entertainment contracts. Such clauses often mandate that talent uphold a standard of conduct that does not harm the company's reputation. Violations could result in substantial financial penalties and damage to professional standing. In summary, while criminal prosecution may be unlikely due to the legal age of consent at the time, Kim Soo Hyun is not insulated from significant legal and financial consequences. Defamation suits and potential breaches of contract could impose substantial monetary liabilities and further erode his public image. The unfolding situation serves as a cautionary tale about the enduring impact of personal relationships on professional life, especially in the public eye. As the legal proceedings and public discourse continue, the reputations and careers of those involved hang in the balance. The case not only highlights personal grievances, but also sheds light on broader issues within the entertainment industry. For more in-depth coverage and updates on this developing story, subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we provide detailed analyses and the latest news.